Sige.
May laki yung isa.
Ayun o, down isa oh.
Patay nyo na agad yan. Full spawn.
Patay nyo yung low HP yan, promise.
Uy, gago ka.
Cancelin mo. Yan na bang spot. Ay, sige.
Sa malapit, pero ito nga, malapit na nga rin magsilagasan at malimang gusto ko pa rin ating death roll mo XP dito third party ang siste, pero death roll natin ang mag-isa na lang ni Mincy. Now trying to confirm that elimination kahit na ayan, ma-eliminate basta makakahukay ng isa dito, no? Ay nako, mukhang patayan na ang hatid ng bawat dalawang kupunan as we are now seeing your Mary Ann, the only hope of their team. Mukhang frag grenade ay stolen pa nga tong si Dior sa kanyang kupunan. Oh no! Ayan, mukhang dalawa na lang natitira. We have here Mary Ann together with his teammate pero easily got knocked down. Ayan, Bayer Mary Ann talagang sumugod 2v2 situation. Let's say Scooby-Doo, where are you? Ang gusto niya dito pero he got easily knocked down. Meron ako dito last player. Grabe nga naman ito with that SOG. What is that? That was a nice clutch coming from your Mary Ann.
Take time pa sila.
Wala na, need niyan. Labas ka.
Cancelin mo. Okay, okay. First aid. Take time, boy. Take time. Ginit yan.
Uy, puti.
Nice.
Last guy. Nice.
Nice one.
Fire Mary Ann. Ang lakas naman ni Mary Ann dito.